How to create a Douyin account outside China. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or sign up to a Douyin account if you're outside China. Now, everybody knows that when it comes to this kinds of process or issue, all you have to do is, of course, use up a reliable VPN. Now, you can try to use NordVPN, CyberGhost, Express, private internet access, or whatsoever. Now, once you've successfully created an account with a VPN that you prefer, you must activate it first and then activate it within China. Once you've successfully done that, next thing that you want to have to do is to get or to use an active phone number. So if you go ahead straight into their official website, just simply click the option here that says login at the upper right and then use your phone number. Change the country code or the area code of the phone number that you're using, input it here, and then you should be receiving a code for registration. Hit on login, and you have yourself a Douyin account. And that's how you create the Douyin account outside China.